viewers, and welcome to the Locker's Garage YouTube channel. The purpose of this video is to explain a little bit about who I am, what it is that we do, and what you can expect to see up here. So, a little bit about me. It's probably my 11th, I think, year of teaching high school. I do teach high school here in the state of Wyoming. I am also ASE certified in the areas of A5, A6, B2, B5, G1, BASF Vision Plus for the refinishing content that you see, EPA 609 for any of the air conditioning content that you see, and then obviously 9 through 12 in the state of Wyoming. And then very recently, I obtained my CompTIA A+ computer technician certification. So, what you can expect to see here are basic automotive maintenance tutorials, pretty much what I teach my 9th through 12th grade students in our class. You can see collision refinishing. I don't get into frame straightening or anything like that because that's kind of a whole separate another area of this. My forte is the painting, the prep for painting, minor parking lot rash type of repairs, things like that. You'll also see quite a bit of small engines. That's a huge part of what I do. I also perform small engine repairs on the side here at my own personal shop. So when you watch our videos, you'll see some work get done at the high school, which a lot of that, and then you'll also see some work get done here at my own shop. So that's a side gig that I've done for many years, and I figure if I have to do it, you probably have to do it as well. So with that being said, hopefully you enjoy the content we have provided you here. Leave us some comments, give us the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if that's your thing, and as always, sit back and enjoy.